Alright guys, so a lot of people don't think I can solve the Rubik's Cube and think that I'm just lying. So this is basically proof I can. So yeah, I'm gonna solve it right here. So make the cross with all their colors aligned. By the way, I'll link a really good tutorial by Cubehead to how to solve the Rubik's Cube in the description. It was the one I learnt from. This is the beginner's method, not CFOP. I'll put a CFOP tutorial in the description as well. I'm still learning CFOP, so I can't really teach you how to do it yet. But yeah, so I'm inserting all the pairs. CFOP stands for cross, and then F2L, and then PLL. No. CFOP stands for cross, and then F2L, then OLL, and then PLL. OLL is orientation of the last layers. Is that all of it? Yep, that's all of the. Now I've got a dot there, so I have to do this a bunch of times. Okay, now I need to get all the corners lined up. Alright, so now I need to do this. Time to solve this one.